promo leda. Promo. Hello, good afternoon my dear students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry, and we are in NIRMAAN 1.0 program. How you are preparing for your NEET examination? NEET 2026 is over and now we are in preparation of NEET 2027. Are you ready with the pace? Hello students, those who are online, please like the session, share with your friends and subscribe to Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. So 2:30, okay, right, ready. Come on, in today's class, in one shot, I just want to discuss about various organic reagents that you are going to see in the organic conversions. In the most of the cases, when you prepare for your organic chemistry, what reagent works in what condition and what are the exceptions? No worries, in one shot I want to clear all the things. The process could be oxidation or the process could be reduction. I want to take you to the highest level. So I want to make things easier and your life being better after my class. I can guarantee you that. Hi Singh, how are you? And let us see. Come on, in this list of oxidizing agents, I just want to segregate the organic reagents like a list of oxidizing agents and a list of reducing agents and what are the conditions and Grignard reagent and everything we will discuss it here. Those who are online, please come on. Let us see in the list of organic reactions in the reagents OSO for osmium tetroxide and you can use peroxy acid, you see RCOOH, it is a peroxy acid. Okay, Shravanti, hi, and KMNO4 or K2Cr2O7 and chromic acid and PCC, PDC, Collins reagent and MnO2, periodic acid and lead tetraacetate and ozonolysis. And lead tetraacetate as actually not required. After seeing NEET 2026 paper, I felt myself, as an experienced faculty, I felt myself, you study in a little higher version, right? Shavanti Pinindi, come on. Those who are online, please like the session because this is an awesome, this particular session is going to be so informative. Let us see very important points here, 2 and 3, 4 points each reagent. So that I don't want to show you any mechanism. You need not have to engage yourself in worrying, sir, mechanism everywhere it is required and all. No. Let us see. OSO4, let us say here. I want to selenium dioxide is also not required. If you want to go for the oxidation OSO4, you have to undergo with this NaHSO3 hydrolysis. And it is alkene is converted into diol. You can see this is your alkene. Okay, when it is treated with OSO4 and the NaHSO3. You are going to get diol. This diol is 100% syn, 100% syn, mean to say same side of the double bond, you are going to get a double bonds. Yes, OH and OH over here. Understand? Stereochemistry is also very important. In this stereochemistry, CMTR, I mean to say cis alkene gives rise M meso compound. Transalkene can give rise racemic mixture. Simple. Yeah. You have a doubt? Hi Geeta Madri, hi. What is the doubt, Liti? Liti, you have a doubt? Please come on. I am waiting for your doubt. Come on, waiting for your doubt. And also isotopic oxygen of osmium tetroxide is converted into diol. I mean to say here if you use O18 here, you are going to get O18 over here. So that is all simple. You said you have a doubt, please let me know your doubt. And also in the NEET examination, you are going to focus on stereochemistry. In the NEET examination, isotopic effect will be given. Right? Any doubt? You take a screenshot, 3, 2, 1, click it 0. Okay, Geeta Madhuri, how are you doing? And the last year you attended the class with us. And RCOOH, peroxo acid, R C double bond O, and this you are going to have peroxy bond. This is your peroxy bond. Looks like a carboxylic group. It is a peroxy carboxylic group, and you can use peroxoacetic acid and trichloroacetic acid and peroxotrichloroacetic acid, MCPBA. This is very, very important. Metachloroperoxobenzoic acid, and it is converted into alkene to diol. How? And alkene forms cyclic epoxide first. You are going to see this is going to be alkene, and you are going to get peracid, MCPBA. You are going to get cyclic ether, epoxide, cyclic orthoboric acid is what? Okay, H3BO3 is called orthoboric acid. Fine. Surya Pratap, how are you? And alkene forms a cyclic epoxide, and this acidic hydrolysis, it follows SN1. In basic hydrolysis it follows SN2, and you are going to get on hydrolysis you are going to get anti-diol. The difference between this previous and this is only stereochemistry. Previous one you got syn diol, syn addition, and it is going to be anti-addition. Okay, Geeta Madhuri doing fine, got 400 in re-NEET UG examination again, decided to give a prepare for NEET UG, all the best. And by God's grace, if there is no unexpected sudden news, age limit and attempt limit. Age limit, attempt limit will not be there. I can confidently say that, Geeta Madhuri, definitely you can do it. And Surya Pratap, I am fine, thank you. And Pinnindi, in this session, will the beginners as a session is useful. We start from the zero to organic chemistry. Yes, exactly. Those who are online, please like the session. This actually, I want to conduct a very short session today. If required, I want to make it a part 2 as well in the next session. Okay, don't have to worry. Don't have to worry. I'll make it all the organic reactions, all the reactions in the textbook. I want to make it a single one. Okay, now carbonyl to ester can also be there. Whenever MCPBA is there, for alkene you are going to get diol. If it is a carbonyl, it undergo Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. It has two functions. Today's session is all about organic reagents. Whenever MCBA is coming, metachloroperoxobenzoic acid, you are going to consider at least an alkene to diol. If it is an alkene is the reactant, or if it is a carbonyl, it is going to get an ester. Sir, good news is the Geeta got out of 180 marks and got a 110 marks. That's very good, but you need to improve in the physics as well, right? Okay, let us move. When it talking about the chemistry, leave about the strategy sessions. Chemistry, I am going to give you the awesome things. Okay, Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. Will NEET 2021 conducted in CBT mode? Yes, NEET 2027 will be conducted in computer based test. It is a CBT only. Government want to take that. A chemical reaction that converts ketone into the esters or cyclic ketones into the lactones is called as a Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. In this Baeyer-Villiger oxidation, you can say it is a ketone, and when it is treated with a peracid, okay, trifluoroperacid acid, simply you introduce oxygen here, so that the entire thing is going to be ester. You are going to get ester. Simply introduce the oxygen, right? And if it is a cyclohexanone, you introduce somewhere oxygen over here. Cyclohexanone gives rise a caprolactone. You know this caprolactone is going to get a polymerization. You are going to get nylon 6. Nylon 6, you know nylon is a very important polymer. Sir, in CBT online mode, in which computer online mode means it is LAP laptop or computer, please clarify. Okay, you will be conducting, you can purchase, you want to write the examination, actually you will be writing your NEET 2027 examination in a center where computers will be there. Their computers are just desktops only, not laptops. And you want to just use the computer based test as a practice. Infinity Lane with Acer, they are going to, they already launched the NEET 2027 laptops. The moment you purchase it, everything is packed in it. Okay, you can purchase it. And also KMNO4 K2CR2O7. It is a strong oxidizing agent and it is non-specific. And also any functional groups that you know in the organic chemistry will be converted into finally into carboxylic group. And also alkene and alkyne gives carboxylic acid. And oxidation of alkyl benzene gives benzene carboxylic acid. The conditions are very important. When this is the way you have to prepare your NEET examination. What are the conditions? The benzylic carbon should have at least one pi bond or benzylic hydrogen. And oxidation of alcohols, and ketone gives carboxylic acid, but you have to use the pop-off rule. Ketones आगे oxidize करना मुश्किल है. But ketones can be oxidized in the drastic conditions. Okay, you have to use a pop-off rule. What this pop-off rule says? During oxidation of ketone, the ketonic group is retained at the lesser number of carbon side. This is what is called as a pop-off rule. And I want to say this is the one oxidation of alkyl benzene. This is your benzene. Okay, CH3. You want to go with KMNO4 or K2CR2O7. You are going to get benzoic acid with irrespective of the length of the carbon chain. We are going to give this. Okay, the same thing. Okay, conditions. What are the conditions? What are the conditions? At least one benzylic hydrogen and or one pi bond on the benzylic carbon. So these are the two conditions. If you keep these pointers in the mind, you can play, the game is yours and you can do the best in the NEET examination. So students, those who are online, please like the session, share with your friends and subscribe to Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Lane NEET YouTube channel. And this is, we are not promoting anything in this channel, in this YouTube channel, direct subject only being delivered. Subject is being delivered, right? And you see, reverse conversions are important for examinations. And I wanted to say, KMNO4, okay, you are going to get COOH plus CH3COOH. If this and this is given, you have to just get what is the actual product it is. That is called retro-analysis. And moving ahead, the most confusing part is coming with the chromium oxides. With this chromium oxides, you say Jones reagent, that is called chromic acid, that is H2CrO4 and acetone, or K2Cr2O7 and concentrated H2SO4 and aqueous acetone. You can also say this, and selective oxidizing agent, but it cannot oxidize carbon to carbon double bond. And also it's a primary alcohol will be converted into carbonyl, but it is temperature dependent. Higher temperature, strong oxidizing agent, lower temperature, weak oxidizing agent. Stronger oxidizing agent means here it is a temperature, room temperature itself is a strong oxidizing agent. If it is a negative 16 degrees centigrade, it might be a weak oxidizing agent, and secondary alcohol is going to be converted into tertiary ketone, and tertiary alcohols are not oxidized. Tertiary alcohols are not oxidized, they prefer the elimination reaction. And another one is chromic acid, Jones reagent. The Jones oxidation is typically performed at temperature between 0 degrees centigrade to room temperature. And also Jones reagent is prepared by, okay, that's a different matter, okay. Pyridium chlorochromate, the other one is PCC, pyridium chlorochromate, mild oxidizing agent, okay. The mild oxidizing agent, okay, that is chromium, okay, chlorochromate and pyridium ion. This is called pyridium chlorochromate. It is PCC, abbreviated as PCC, and it is a mild oxidizing agent, and it is highly selective. It do not oxidize carbonyl group, okay. It oxidizes alcohol, primary alcohol to aldehyde, secondary alcohol to ketone, okay. Tertiary alcohols are not oxidized. Tertiary alcohols are not oxidized. Are you getting or not? Hi, Meeks movie Geeta in computer, okay. Let us discuss anything in the chat box, okay. Use the chat box generously, but it is discussed as far as the academics part is concerned. Out of academics, please don't discuss anything, my dear children. Here Jones reagent and PCC reagent are same, functionally same. The only difference between the PCC and Jones reagent is temperature dependent, where the PCC is independent on the temperature where it is used, okay. Geeta has a question in organic chemistry is memorized. I mean only to memorize, and we should read the conceptual reactions blindly, reminding, please tell. Okay, if you read these organic reagents in these pointers, okay, these pointers can help you to apply in the real-time NEET examination. Chemistry sessions are always in the English mode. अंग्रेजी में आपको देना है क्या बेटा? Okay. Finally, whatever the examination you are going to write in both languages, if you want, I am flexible in any language, we can discuss it. Come on. Next one is pyridium dichromate. Pyridium dichromate, English में pyridium dichromate होता है, ये हिंदी में तर्जुमा करके क्या करूँ मैं? Okay, right? And this is a dichromate with a pyridine. This is called pyridium dichromate. It is a mild oxidizing agent. And it is selective, cannot oxidize carbonyl group. Primary alcohols are converted into aldehydes. Secondary alcohols are converted into ketones. Tertiary alcohols are not oxidized. Are you getting on? Enjoy the class. Okay. And the work, the function and the role of zones is equal to PCC is equal to PDC. But zones is temperature dependent. PCC, PDC are not temperature dependent. Okay? Any doubt? But I prefer PDC sometimes because it is less acidic in nature. So PDC is less acidic than PCC, so that PDC is more suitable for oxidation of an acid sensitive substrate. It's a noteworthy point. What did you say? Understand? Clear? Right. Now moving ahead, Collins reagent. What is Collins reagent? Anybody knows? Mention in the chat box. Mention in the chat box, come on. Man, English mode is the best. Exactly, I prefer it. Okay. What is Collins reagent? Geeta Madhuri, come on, you tell me what is Collins reagent. Collins reagent is chromic anhydride in pyridine. chromic anhydride in pyridine, okay, and it is a mild oxidizing agent and it oxidizes selectively. Carbonyls are not oxidized, and you know primary alcohols are converted into carbonyls, secondary alcohols are converted into ketones, tertiary alcohols are not oxidized. Fine. And also Jones, the work of the Jones reagent is same as PCC, same as PDC, same as Collins, okay. And also any doubt, Collins reagent, any doubt? You see, these are the noteworthy points, Geeta Madhuri. And moving ahead, MnO2, mild oxidizing agent. It's a mild oxidizing agent, selective oxidizing agent. What is actual meaning of mild? I will tell you beta. If it is RCH2OH, if it is used mild oxidizing agent, you are going to get a aldehyde. If it is a strong oxidizing agent, you are going to get carboxylic acid. You understand? Because primary alcohol is converted into aldehyde, aldehyde further oxidized to carboxylic acid. That's a good question. Okay? Fine? Any doubt? Now moving ahead, allylic benzylic alcohols are selectively oxidized. It's really noteworthy point. Allylic and benzylic alcohols are selectively oxidized. Say an example, MnO2, this is a carbon that is directly attached to this carbon to carbon double bond is called allyl carbon. Alcohol is present on the allyl carbon is called allyl alcohol. It is treated with MnO2 gives rise acrylaldehyde. And benzyl alcohol, this is the carbon that is directly attached to the benzene is called benzyl alcohol. It is oxidized to benzaldehyde. Any doubt? Clear? Geeta Madhuri, fine? That's good. It is important because after seeing NEET 2026, I feel we have to upgrade the next level of the subject within the textbook, because the question paper that is asked in 2026, nobody is discussed because of May 3rd examination cancelled. June 21st examination has been conducted. After that, people are completely out of the trauma and just close the books and waiting for the result, and jantar mantra ho gaya. Everybody focused at what happened at the jantar mantra. But nobody is analyzing the difficulty level of the question paper. So it is difficult. हाँ ओके, इंग्लिश में भी कर सकता हूँ ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं बेटा, ठीक है. सो नीट 2027 यू आर गोइंग टू फेस द म्यूजिक, क्योंकि कंपटीशन बढ़ गया. ओके, सादा सीधा पेपर देने तो क्या होगा, कंपटीशन रैंकिंग देने तो मुश्किल होगा. सो आई मीन टू से इफ द टफेस्ट पेपर इज गिवन, automatically qualifying people will be less, so giving the rank follows an algorithm, so disturbance will be less. So only one option NTA has, the increase the difficulty level of the paper. Are you getting or not? Clear? Yes. So Jantar Mantar will happen in July month, will also happen, and 9 months for NEET examination. Talking about ozonolysis. And it is a mild oxidation, it is in various formats: mild oxidizing ozonolysis, oxidizing ozonolysis, and a reductive ozonolysis. If you use zinc as a reducing agent, it's a mild oxidizing agent. Hydrogen atom is retained on the carbonyl. Ozonolysis, alkene will be converted into carbonyl group, or alkyne will be converted into carbonyl group. And oxidative ozonolysis, peroxide इस्तेमाल करो बेटा. Okay, Surya Pratap. You see, OH group is replaced. I am giving you the tricks here. These pointers are tricks. What do you say? And also reductive ozonolysis. अगर लिथियम अल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड के साथ ओजोनोलिसिस किएंगे तो आपको रिडक्शन होगा. एक्स्ट्रा हाइड्रोजन इज रिप्लेस्ड. दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस and that is the way you handle the ozonolysis, right? And periodic oxidation HiO4 or H5IO6. In this, sodium peroxide can be used or HiO4 can be used, and it is going to cleave 1,2-diols to aldehydes and ketones. I mean to say, look at this, carbon, OH and OH. It is going to cleave the bond, okay, if it is like this, carbon, it is going to cleave the bond, and you can also say carbon, double bond O, and it should be vicinal, then only HiO4 is going to work. If it is not vicinal, it will not work. That is very important. And also you see here various things, very important. If you take a glucose, CHO, OH, 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 OH and CH2OH, you are going to break a bond here, break a bond here, break a bond here, break a bond here, break a bond here. You are going to get 5 moles of HiO4 and you are going to get 5 moles of formic acid and 1 mole of formaldehyde. Directly you can connect this particular reaction in the NEET examination, multiple choice question. Which of the following is true? If it is for the D-fructose, you are going to get 3 moles of formic acid and 2 moles of formaldehyde and 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Clear? And this is also very important. Everybody take a screenshot of this NEET preparation. In this YouTube channel, sirf NEET preparation ja rahe hain. Are you getting or not? Clear? Don't feel that I am very serious. It is a live interactive session, bachcho. It's a live interactive session. I request everybody follow these concepts. Fine? Geeta, any doubt? Yeah. Now, rest of the reactions we can have, time is very less, that's the reason why I just want to say, rest of the reactions we can have in the upcoming sessions, okay. Please, those who are online, please like the session and share with your friends, subscribe to Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Land NEET YouTube channel. In this series, till your NEET 2027, we are going to conduct the concept sessions, strategy sessions, practice sessions. Okay, you need not have to pay anything. Please come and join in the sessions. Okay, and we are not promoting anything here. And respect the class and maintain the class and take your medical seat. Okay, thank you very much, and I'm signing off. A lot and how to will be completed in a little time. Arre, now 9 months are there, Surya Pratap. You don't have to worry. Those are students, front of line students, along with Geeta and me. Okay, thank you very much. We'll see you more in the next class. Thank you very much. Thank you.